Well, I'm feeling cautiously delighted now because I've got it done seemingly without a hitch. There are two rods that were the difficult bit to connect to the door handle. If you look in here, there's a silver brightly coloured one down to a green nylon bush, and that one attached to the end of here. This is the new handle, of course, which is slightly different. Had a slightly different fitting on nylon fitting on the end there, but anyway, that it attached to there, and then that is where the that white nylon piece of arc quadrant fitted onto where the screwdriver is. I've left the screwdriver connected into it just so that you can see. I think it might need a tighten. No, that's fully tightened. So it was a real fiddle. I'm feeling like Ed China right now. He's a genius, that guy. I'm just not into cars, but I think I've done it. So I'm just recording this for my own record as much as anything. Hopefully it'll help somebody. Right, so let's give it a try then. Well, I've already tried it and it seems to work. It goes on and off. The handle opens and shuts, I should say. So, pull the torch out. There it goes. So it opens it fine. That can come off now, I think I've done. There's a piece of trim went over there, so that can go back on. Although there's a screw in there. Just need to make sure that's tight. No, it's not. Then there was another screw in there, which was hiding behind the rubber bung. Well, that's tight. So that goes down and up and seems to lock. I suppose the proof is going to come actually whether the central locking works. Where's the key? Oh yeah, I've got that little thing glued back up, just out of interest really. Okay, so this is what passed for central locking in 1985. There's no beep beep. What you did was you opened and closed the driver's door with the key in the lock, and it opened or closed, locked or unlocked the passenger side. So this is the proof. Yes. Yeah, unlocks both sides. And you can hear the compressor whirring, the vacuum pump whirring in the boot. Oh yes. I can't believe that. I was dreading doing that. So that's that then. So I'm not going to put the door card back on yet. I might as well just have a look, check it over to make sure it's in good fettle. There's no point taking it off without just doing a little mend to it in case it needs it. I think I've mended it, well I've definitely mended it once. I think I've done a good job of it. But they're so frail, these things. So I'm going to save the door card for another day. Anyway, result. Job done for £5.35 or whatever it was. What a fantastic little project that was. Okay, look out for the next one.